Hello, my friend. How are you? I am so happy to talk to you today, which is very beautiful, sitting and profitable day. I will explain to you our strategy today that make me happy to see the profit of the day. Today, I see that the price, when I change it to daily, you can see this is the high of the week. On weekly, this is the high of the week, and this is the low of the week. This is the high of the day, and this is the low of the day. I will change it to daily time frame. This is the high of the previous day, and this is the low of the previous day. Here, you can see that this is the low of the day, that the price today is sweeping the low of the day. You can see it how the price sweep it, and what is below the low of the day. On changing it on H4, you can see that there is an order block on H4 with a fair value gap, and the price sweeping the low and touching to this H4 sorry, order block, and also there is a fair value gap, and also there is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. What we are doing today when we start trading in a New York session? At the first, you can see that the price is moving upward. At the first, I'm make a sell, and I make a loss today. Why? Why this happen? I will show you. There is an H2 and there is an H4 FVG here. Here, this is an H4 FVG. This is an H4 FVG. This, sorry, not this. This one is H4 FVG. Sorry, I will delete this. This is an H4 FVG, and this is an H2 FVG. When the price arrived to it, these H4 and H2, this is also H2 FVG. When the price arrived to this area, find the signs of sell, but later on it is happening, it is not selling. You can see it here. You can see, sorry, leave it. You can see how the price moving up and down, and reaching the H4 and H2, and then make a change in the state of delivery. But it is not a change in the state of delivery. It is later on when I make a good visualization. I see that the price here is double bottom. So this is a sweeping. This is a sweeping. A sweep. You can see it. The first thing I saw it, this is a change in the state of delivery on lower time of frame, and I make a sell depending on what? Depending on this. You can see it. The price moving up and then moving down, then moving up, then moving down. Make change in the state of delivery and change it, and this is the also the change in the state of delivery and market, and change in the market structure shift. This is a change in the state of delivery. This is a market structure shift, but I didn't notice that there is a sweeping to this double bottom and the triple bottom. It is a sweeping. I make a sell in this area. I make a sell in this area depending on this fair value gap and market structure and this order block. But I put the my stop loss is 300 here, 300, 3,300. Okay, in this area, sorry, in this area. But the price didn't respect these fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. These are bearish fair value. They didn't respect it, and this retracement or this pullback is due to the effect of these H4 and H2 fair value gap, and the price pushing upward rapidly and hit my stop loss. And at that time, I disconfirm that the price is not bearish and the price is now is bullish. So I trying to hunt it again to take a profit and can compensate my loss. So when the price moving upward and then moving down, when moving down, the price made on sorry, on 1 minute, when it retraces to this area, okay, the price stopped to move lower more. This is the first thing, stopped. Second thing is there is an order block, is this order block. And when I see that, I trying to enter here in these area. What is these areas? I will explain to you what is these areas. These areas on lower time frame, you can see that there is first thing is this is a fair value gap, and this is a fair value gap. This can you consume it as inverted fair value gap, inverted fair value gap. So how I utilized it, this is a fair value gap and this is a fair value gap. When the price reached this order block and started to move upward, I'm going to lower time frame to see what will happen. And the first thing I saw it, that the price pushing upward and then return and then pushing upward again. When pushing upward again above this fair value gap, inverted fair value gap, and making another fair value gap here, you can saw it. This is another fair value gap, but this fair value gap is not inverted. This fair value gap is absolute fair value gap. This is absolute fair value gap, and also this fair value gap also. It is absolute fair value gap. So this is the sharp turn, which is very beautiful. I enter here in this area. I put one stop loss below this order block and waiting, and the price moving upward, utilizing this inverted fair value gap, moving upward. And when the price reaching some areas as this area, as you can see, there is the price moving up and then moving down, then moving up and then moving down, sweeping this low, you can see this is very beautiful. This is a very beautiful setting. I will show it to you. I will change it time frame. I will show it to you. This the price moving up and then moving down, then moving up, then moving down, then moving up. Make a change in the state of delivery on lower time frame. You can saw it. This is a change in the state of delivery. This, okay, a change in the state of delivery. Why it is a change in the state of delivery? Because this order block pushed the price lower to this low. But later on, when the price reaching this order block, nested order block, and this big order block, and these are nested order block, the price return upward and disrespected this order block, and open upward the candle, and then return to retest it. What is the retest? Retest to these inverted fair value gap. You can saw it. This is inverted fair value gap. Okay. This is inverted fair value gap. I enter again in this area. Sorry, this is inverted fair value gap. I will change its color to be to distinguish it. And also, what is this? What is this setting? This setting is a turtle soap. What is called turtle soap? This is a breaker block. This is a breaker block. The price is sweeping the low, touching the nested fair order block and fair value gap, and then pushing upward, make a change in the state of delivery market structure shift, then retest this breaker block and inverted fair value gap, and pushing upward and moving upward, and make a profit and go out of the markets. Why I'm going out of the market? Why? So I make an entrance in these areas first, and in this area first, which is very beautiful. Markets turtle soap. This is the figure of the turtle soap, breaker block, inverted fair value gap. All these factors confirm that we are going upward, and I'm going out of the market. Why I'm going out of the market? I will show you why. Because I'm looking for, in reality, I saw that the price is sweeping this double high, double top. These are double top sweeping it, okay, and then reaching IV inverted fair value gap on H2, and also fair value gap here. This also a fair value gap also on H2 and also on H4. If you can see it, also there is a fair value gap on H4. So the price, and this is a big order block. Maybe the price will continue upward, but today is a news at 9 o'clock about the FOMC meeting minutes. So I'm going out of the market when I make the sorry when I make a profit and compensate my loss. So that's what I want to explain to you. This is the probability, and that I make it to you is very beautiful, and you can see how the price is continued to move upward even when I'm going out of the market. You can see what is the factor that make it moving upward. You can see here on 1 minute, we can see if there is, this is an order block. This is an order block with fair value gap. This is an order block with fair value gap. This is the first thing. The second thing, when I'm going to lower time of frame, this is a fair value gap, inverted fair value gap, and the price moving upward and then moving, sweeping these low, sweeping these low, sweeping these low, and then moving upward. When the price, this inverted fair value gap, you can you can utilize it. This is an inverted fair value gap. You can utilize it. This is inverted fair value gap. You can see how the price struggling here a little bit and then moving upward. You can see how the price inverted fair value gap, the price moving upward, and this candle open up and then return, retest this fair value gap, ordinary fair value gap, and then moving upward. When it's moving upward, you can see you can enter here. You can enter in these areas and utilize this fair value gap, especially in this area. You can enter here and the price moving upward, especially when he sweep these double bottom. These are double bottom. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm so happy to explain to you our profit and compensation, my loss when I sell here in this area. I made selling in this area. My expectation to the price moving lower, but I'm so wrong, and the price hit my stop loss, and then again I'm confirmed that the price will continue upward, uh, at least to reach these sweeping these double top, and reaching the inverted value gap H2 with sweeping of the high of this candle. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm so happy to see you. Bye bye. Thank you very much.